Hi everyone. Today I will show you how we can automate your quotes and order management internally, whether you are a print shop or a commercial printer or broker. Via on-print shop, you can manage your and automate your quotes and orders very efficiently. As a print shop or commercial printer, you get a lot of requests from the customers for the estimate, which you have to work traditionally or manually, getting out of your system, sending them prices, or writing them an email. Average research says that if you're working uh, in the manual or traditional way, it takes like 17 to 18 emails to confirm the quote into an order. So that is a lot of time taken at your end. Second, it is very important for you to send an estimate quickly to the customers. The research also says that if you are able to send the quotation or estimate within 5 minutes, 31 times is the higher chance of getting that order than the normal processes. And at a printer's end, you have a lot of processes at your end. Getting an estimate, only key people are involved. So a lot of your quality time goes in handling this customer request, and you're not able to spend enough time focusing on the core business. And that is where on print shop helps printers to automate these repetitive processes. So today in this video, I will quickly show you how we can automate the processes. First, sending a quick print estimate via price calculator, sending an official quotation from the admin panel, how customer will see in the email, customer my account at their end to track the quotations and orders they have placed with you. You can also place an order on behalf of customers in the backend, and how we can manage other processes automatically in the backend and the reports. So first of all, let me show you how we can send print estimate within a minute via price calculator. So first of all, at OnPrint Shop, you get your own online storefront in your own branding. This can be your public storefront. You can do a lot of promotions and get new customers, but it is also useful for your existing customers in order management. So any quotation request, if customer sends you or calls you up, you or your team can simply go to the storefront, and here you can set your all standard catalog items. You can categorize them. If you're offering multiple types of printing, you can also set up your products like commercial printing, white format, promotionals. And this is a complete storefront in your own control, so you can add as many products you want, and you can keep expanding your product library for the customer. But the repetitive task of sending a quotation becomes very easy. Even people do not have to depend on you onto an owner. Most of the time, if customer calls up and customer apps need to give them an estimate, they're not able to give. They have to come to you as an owner, because you know every prices, and they have to come to you and get the price. Instead of that, somebody can simply go to your storefront, select the product they need, and they can simply send this quotation like 73.99 for the postcard 100, directly put the customer's email here, and can send them a quick estimate. So this becomes very easy for you and for your staff to send the quotation in the email. So this is a quick price estimate sent in the email. Customer will also get this in the email. Now this is just a sample email which I am showing you. You have quickly sent me a quotation in the email, the estimate in the email. Now many of the time customer requires an official quotation from you. So that can be done in the backend. So this is the next process which I will show you, which is send quotation to registered customer, and how we can manage the quotation in the backend. So in the backend, we have a quote management. So whatever quotation request you get from the customer via email or phone, you can add into the system. So you can add the new quote for all of your existing customer. You can put a quote title. You can find the customer from the email, and then customer is already there in the system would give you the information. You can also add as many customers, so you can keep adding the customers into the backend, and whatever customers are registered online via storefront, you'll be also able to access it from here. So you can add quotation for the custom products if they need something out of the box which is not a part of the catalog, or you can also select, because these products are already set onto your storefront as a standard catalog, so you can also select items from the standard catalog if customer is demanding something. So it's a process selecting the product. You can add as many products. So I would just quickly show you, because I have already, to save over time, I have already placed this quotation, and the next screen I have selected the product like mailing 1000, 2000, and 3000, because when you're adding a quote, you can also send them a quote for multiple quantities. I can put a quote price, and then add this quotation in the system. So for example, I'm just putting some random prices here and then adding this quotation. Once I hit save, this will trigger an email to the customer. So as a customer, I will see the response from you that the quotation has been added from you to me. You have sent me a quotation, and in the system, you would also see whatever quotations you have ongoing onto your view quote section. So you can see at a time how many quotation requests you have, how many quotations are approved, how many quotations where customer responses are pending. In the manual processes, sometimes we do not even know how many quotations we have sent and how many quotations we have to follow up with the customer. So this on a single click, it would show you all the quotation. But at the customer end, this is an email as a customer I have received that the quotation is added for the item. If I need to access this quotation, I can simply click here as a customer, and this will take me to your storefront in my account section. So this is the third part which I would show you very quickly is a customer my account, which is very important for customers to communicate with you, and they would also enjoy working with you because whatever activities they are doing in terms of you are sending them a quotations or they are requesting the quote, every information is recorded into their my account section, so they can go anytime and access it from your storefront. So this is what customer sees. They have placed this many quotations, these quotations are approved, these many are quotations, so these are called status. Customer is also able to see those status in the into his my account. He can simply view this quotation. It says this quotation is valid for 30 days. Now if it is a small B2B customers and he needs to send this quotation to his senior team to approve, then he can print this quotation in PDF, and this can be sent within their team. So we are also making their life easy. So whatever quotations you have sent, they're able to do it. Plus, if they would like to approve the code, we are also able to approve the code from the my account. You have given them a code for 1,000, 2,000, and 3,000. I am easily able to approve this quotation and convert into an order directly from this quotation into a my account section. And I'm able to upload a print-ready file or upload artwork later if I do not have a file and just want to confirm an order right now. So this would take me to a checkout. At the checkout, there are multiple options they can select: shipping, billing, whether they want to come and pick it up from your local store or they want to get it shipped. They can select here the payment methods. If it is a regular account, you can also offer them a credit limit or online payment gateway, and they can process this quotation. Now, this quotation can be converted into an order, and those orders would come here. So the cycle, if you see, the quotation has been sent to the customer approved that quotation, and that order has been received here. And this order you can process into your production. So for example, all these order status management you can manage according to your internal processes. So order has been received, you can say order processing, ready for pickup. All of the processes you can manage here. And when it is shipped, you can also update an order as shipped, and customer will get an email that their item, the order what they have placed with you is shipped. Now many of the time you also get a request from the customer ordering via a phone or ordering via email. They you already have a storefront, but many of your customers would say, can you please take an order on behalf of me? I would just pay later on, I do not have access to the storefront. Then you can also add this order, add those orders in the backend. So at least it will help you to manage your orders internally. Second, it is this particular feature is appreciated by a lot of our printers who are print shops. There are a lot of walk-in customers are going, and they're also adding these orders in the backend. There are two benefits. One, they're able to add the orders for all walk-in customers. Two, those customers already get an account into the storefront automatically. Plus, they are your future buyers, so they can reorder easily, and they're also able to see all other items on your storefront. So this becomes a customer retention kind of model, where here adding a new order is very easy. You can add a new customer for walk-in customers. If customer is already existed, you can find out the customer and add an order from the back end. So this is a process of adding an order. Similarly, you can add the products, and you can also select the shipping which customer have selected. So to save over time, I have already skip the step of choosing the product. I'm selecting the payment. Now there are multiple ways you can take this order. Maybe customer walked in, then we have a point of sale because you are collecting payment in the shop. So you can put a transaction ID and take this order, or if that order is received on the phone, you can send them a payment request. So you already have an online payment gateways integrated in the system, so you can send this customer a direct payment request. So this way, the communication with the customer becomes very, very easy and prompt, because all your quotations you're able to manage efficiently, very fast from the system. All your orders you're able to enter into the system, and that's where you're able to see how your business is moving. Like this is a quick dashboard which would show you how many orders you have, how many customer accounts, recent quotations, sales statistics. So whatever orders you have, you would be able to see here. Whatever quotations you have, you'll be able to see, and the status is. So by just logging into a storefront, if your team is working on your quotes and orders, as a business owner, you will see a complete overview of your business, a job board which would give you which orders are on which stage, and quick summary of your business, how it is moving. And the last part, which is very, very important, which would give you a lot of data. This business in critical data would be useful for you to make informed decision. So this would be given in form of reports. There are multiple reports are given to you on your fingertips. Tips anytime you can go inside the system and find out how many orders you have for a particular period, like this week, last week. You can also find out for a particular month or this year. You can simply click, and then system would give you a quick report on all the orders you have with the tax and everything what you have collected. So it is also useful for you to manage and submit your taxes at the end of the year. Simply you can export this report out of the system and use further in your accounting, import into it. Or we also have an option of importing, integrating the API of QuickBook. Second, a lot of patterns and analysis can be found via report. For example, what is the product wise revenue you are getting, which products are giving you the highest revenue, which products are not being sold properly as per expectations. So it would quickly in fingertips, it would show you all the reports, like what is the sales of business card, letterheads, banners, if you're offering white format, promotional items like mouse pad. So all these reports are giving you a quick summary that which popular items, or which items are popular in the for the customers, which items are not giving you enough revenue. You can do a separate promotions with them, and there are a lot of analytics per customer. Now, as a business owner, I would like to find out which are my premium customers. So I can simply click on the report, and I would say how many customers have placed order more than $100 this year. So these are maybe your premium customers because they ordered up to more than certain amount. You can find out how many customers have logged in multiple times, how many customers have not logged in from over a 3 months of period or last 6 months. Then maybe you want to do a separate promotion, because in the report, if you can see, it also shows you a lot of minute details, like how many time customer have logged in, what was the registration date. So this helps you in terms of identifying customer patterns. You can also find out how many customers have left something in the cart. So you might want to send them a separate promotion email so they can, you can encourage them to confirm an order. So this is a very quick overview of how we can manage and automate your estimation request via price calculator. One, second, adding a quotation, official quotation from the backend, and third, how we can add the new order from the backend. So a lot of your internal processes estimation can be handled by your team if you automate this process once. And if you want to automate your email notifications, you also have all the email notifications, quotation, invoices. You can also have the format automated by the system. So these are like all auto emails are being sent. If you want to personalize the email content, thank you for the order, you can, or thank you for the quote, all those email content can be automized and automated by the system. You can personalize the format, and customer retention can be improved a lot, because every quotations and orders placed on the system, they have all the information in the customer my account. So anytime they want to reorder order, they can simply go inside the system and they can see. And every orders they have placed with you, they have all the access. The invoice is generated automatically. So anytime they can go inside an order and access the invoice. Invoice is also auto email. So there are multiple auto emails are being configured in the system. You can have your invoices to be automated. You can have your quotation format automated, your all email notifications can be automated. So that way, a lot of your repetitive tasks can be automated and you can focus on your critical activities like expanding the business. So hope you like this quick demo, and if you need any more information or a detailed demo, feel free to contact us at www.onprintshop.com. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.